Next time you're on a trip, save some money by cooking in your hotel room. Let me show you how. Cooking a meal or two while you're on a trip will save you money, but that's not why I'm here. You see, my wife is on a business trip, and she's been complaining about how there's nothing to eat around the hotel that she's staying at. So here I am. Let me show you how to take just a few ingredients and save the day. As you can see, I packed a portable induction hob, mini cutting board, paring knife, and a small bun pan. Start off by slicing 4 cloves of garlic. If it's too garlicky for you, then use 2. Since we're only using a few ingredients, we need to extract as much flavor as possible. We're gonna fry the garlic, so slice them kind of thick so they don't burn. That's all the cutting for today. Grab some basil and a small can of whole tomatoes, and let's get started. Put a good amount of olive oil in a pot and add the garlic. We're gonna go on a low heat until the garlic starts to color. Once it starts coloring, like this, add some basil. The basil and garlic infused oil is what makes this dish. After a couple minutes, remove the basil and add the tomatoes. Smash the tomatoes as you stir and season with salt and pepper. Add a hotel sugar pack and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's about it for the sauce. Now bring some salted water to a boil and add your pasta. When working with a small pan, use rigatoni or penne. Boil it for 3 minutes less than what the package recommends, and then drain some, but not all, of the water out and add it in the sauce. Go for another 3 minutes on medium heat, stirring frequently, and then garnish with some of the smaller basil leaves, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!